Okay, with my Gamo Big Cat Whisper 1300 brake barrel, a 177 caliber. Thing is really fast and pretty accurate, so I decided to do a trajectory target with it. I'm using the Gamo rifle with the H&N Field Target Trophy 8.64 grain pellets. I think these are like the medium width ones or something. I'm not really positive how they do that, but I started at 10 yards, so there's 10, 15, 20, and 25 yards. So it's zeroed in for 25. So you can see that it came across here. So it started off about, I don't know, about 1.75 inches lower than what it wound up at 25 yards. Something like that. Let's put this across here. We'll take a look. Okay, so right there is where it's coming across. All right, at the bottom of that circle. So that's not that far. That's like, I don't know, a little over an inch, I guess. Maybe an inch and a half lower. So that's pretty good. I don't know what it is past that, but this little setup I have here is for 25 yards. So 10 yards, 15, 20, and 25. So that's pretty close. You know, that's a good trajectory. My guess is that at 30 yards, it's going to be pretty close to where it's at 25. Maybe between 35 and 40 yards, it'll start dropping. So I'll do that another day. I just wanted to check it though and see what the trajectory was. I know it's a very powerful rifle. I was hitting the target at 70 yards with I think about a 4-inch group at Lake Sonoma with this on a very windy day, and that was using Gamo Redfire pellets. So it's a good trajectory.